So, Pinocchio, there's no way I survived from my cough. Well, you're gonna feel better when you go out tomorrow. Can't believe I'm losing my cough. My dad kept on sneezing and coughing or something. Hold on. I know it's all true. I don't know what to do with you! Something like that! All right. That laugh is none other than like it. I don't care. I know you're so good this Christmas. I know you're gonna get Pauline from Bambi and Finding Nemo on the Nintendo Cube. Well, Pinocchio, thanks for helping me. Get ready for the new year. Get ready for the new year. Oh, come on. Do we always have to get ready for the new year? Better than our past videos or any other like that, Pinocchio? Dumbo? I don't care, Dumbo. When you say they were made for kids, they were made for kids. But a little bit nothing like that. Well, Dumbo, what are you gonna do next year? He's gonna see Bambi and Finding Neverland and go to Walt Disney World and Universal Studios Florida. So this is should have been Florida's Disneyland. Pinocchio, are you terrifying like me? I'm Dumbo. Even worse for Honest John, Gideon, or any other. I know he's so gentle with Blue from Blue's Clues in his future and Sky from Paw Patrol in his future, being the new voice of SpongeBob. I don't care about SpongeBob. It's too bad Chadwick Aaron Boseman was not recreated like CGI characters like us. I know Bambi's gonna be CGI. So does Pauline, Thumper, and Flower. Whoa, hold on, mister. You're losing your cough. Oh my goodness. I'm Dumbo. I don't care. I don't care anymore, Pinocchio. I do not know why they took your mom away, Bambi. Dumbo! I don't like what you're saying to me anymore about this shoot. What the damn thing are you talking about? You know, damn is a pretty good expression you here have, Bambi. I know he's gonna get your girlfriend this Christmas, Pauline, and Finding Nemo on the Nintendo Cube. I believe in Santa Claus and Rudolph, and Frosty. But why? All Santa's reindeer are now girls. I don't care about myself anymore! Life is laughing at you. I don't care about how this thing actually works. Dumbo, Gingerbread Man, you're a bad cookie. You're a bad cookie this Christmas, so Santa Claus is gonna bring you coal if you don't listen, Mr. Gingerbread Man. I don't care! Don't worry, Dumbo. I'm always good this Christmas, but I have to go out to Denver. My dad is not feeling like himself. He has sneezes now and coughs. How are you gonna go? Dumbo, I don't want to talk about it. Not when I went to my mom's friend's funeral. Seeing 2 events. Rocky Horror and Alice in Wonderland. I don't know why you went to 2 events in Denver. And you just went to your mom's friend's funeral because she died of breast cancer, which can cause serious problems. She died too soon, Dumbo. 53 to 54 years old. She died too soon. Just like Chadwick Boseman. It'll be too soon to recast a character. Well, I'm the main character like Pinocchio is. But Dumbo... Dumbo... I don't care anymore, Dumbo. Pinocchio. Pinocchio. Pinocchio! 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 I just didn't know what to do with you, Pinocchio. I don't care about myself anymore, Pinocchio. 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 I don't care, Pinocchio. I just didn't know what you're doing. I'm Dumbo. Not with your damn motorboat-like legs. Pinocchio, I don't care anymore. Dumbo, do I look good in CG form? Or is that a lie? I don't know. If I was like you, Pinocchio, I just didn't know what you're doing. Well, there's nothing I can do about it. I can't believe I'm losing my cough by tomorrow. Well, you're going out tomorrow. I know you're going to get your gifts from Santa Claus because Santa Claus knows that you're still good this Christmas. But I love Santa Claus and Rudolph. Santa Claus has a darker origin. I mean, so does Rudolph. he also has a darker origin. Oh, everyone has one. But remember this. I know you're good this Christmas. I know you're gonna get Pauline from Bambi and Finding Nemo on the Nintendo Cube this Christmas. But Santa knows that I'm good. I know you are good. But I promise you, Christmas Eve is always be on your hands. I am not gonna cough tomorrow. I know you're not. But I promise you, you're so good this Christmas. But you have to blow your nose. Why am I so gentle with Blue from Blue's Clues and Sky from Paw Patrol in your future? Because the new voice of SpongeBob is you and your friend. You two are gonna cross over with Blue from Blue's Clues and Sky from Paw Patrol in your future if you want to be gentle with Blue from Blue's Clues. And be gentle with Sky from Paw Patrol in the future. I'm not gonna have a heart attack. I promise. I'm always good this Christmas. I'm just gonna blow my nose. Shoot. Hold on. I gotta get some tissues. I don't care about tissues. Just go with it.